your tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you have already subscribed my YouTube channel. If not, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so that you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I release. So friends, before we start this video, first of all, I would like to tell you that this is the video about July 2021 predictions. But before we start the video, I would like to tell you that I have also launched another brand called Astro Vruksh by Shefali, which is a multi-astro stream solution brand. So that is a brand which offers multiple astro streams to arrive at a solution which suits you best. So do check out this channel, Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Do check out my website, which will be releasing soon under the name astrovruksbyshefali.com, and do explore the services under this brand, because we offer very practical and very scientific and realistic approach towards your solution of your problem. So we offer integrated destiny management solutions, which says that we offer a multi-stream approach to arrive at a solution of your problem so that you get the best possible choices at hand. So let's now quickly jump to your sun sign based predictions for July 2021. Let's see what's in cards for you. Hi Sagittarians, let's see what's in cards for you for July 2021. People who are born from 22nd of November to 21st of December are Sagittarians. We will start with your reading. As you're aware, this is a general reading, friends, so you have to pick and choose the advice that suits you most, because I try to align all possible options that come to me during the reading as I align with the divine self. So friends, we'll start with your energy oracle card. Let's see what's in cards for you. We have Angel of Love energy, which is surrounding you in the coming month, but this energy is in the reverse position. So Angel of Love in the reverse signifies that somewhere you will feel lack of love. You will feel that you are not being loved, you are not being taken care of, you are not being appreciated by your partner. Especially we can see a romantic energy of Angel of Love, somebody who is in the a lady figure whom you always expected to connect with you, to take care of you, pamper you. This lady is not going to show her love, or even if she shows, it will not be received by you in the right manner. So Angel of Love energy is very much prevalent in the reverse position, which says that your love energy is looking blocked. You will not be able to connect with it, you will not be able to receive it. So what is the way you can handle it? Try to use more of rose quartz crystal, or try to use rose fragrance to enhance the self-love energy, because that will give you strength to handle this lack of love kind of a experience that you're going to have in the coming month. So it need not be that really you are not being loved, but you will feel that you are not being loved. So I hope you understand the difference. So we come to your relationship card. We have King of Wands energy in reverse position. Now this card is very much suggesting that you will not be in control of your relationship. So the male member in the family or the male member in the relationship is going to act little manipulating. They might act dominating. The person will be very well connected and will be the anchor of the relationship, but he'll be upside down. So he'll not be supporting you as you expect the support from, because of which you might feel unloved, uncared for. There will be a lack of understanding between the relationships, especially because the male member is really acting nasty over here. And if this could be the case in case of your marriage or your relationship, or if you are expecting a partnership, or in case of your self-love also, it could be a situation that you are not connecting with your own self within, because of which you are not able to enhance or experience this energy of self-love and self-care. So the message for you here is moment to moment, go moment to moment. Don't take any hasty decision or hasty step to actually correct this phase, because there is so much you can do right now. Just hold on and wait for right time and right decision to make. So I really hope you are understanding where I'm coming from in terms of relationship. All you need to do is hold on, keep patience, go one moment to moment, and in time you will know how to handle your relationship, which is looking little upside down or imbalanced right now. Coming to your career, we have Queen of Wands energy in the bright position. Now this card is a very strong card, and it suggests that the lady in the figure, that the lady on the card is going to support you a lot in terms of your career building. So this could be you yourself, it could be your intuition, or the some feminine energy who is very well connected, very well networked in your circles, whether it is at in your industry, whether she's from your industry, from your job, from your business environment, some senior colleague, some immediate employee, immediate senior, or somebody who is very well connected and has authority to say and stand in the market. This lady is really going to show a lot of support to you in your career growth. There is also a possibility that you will be elevated to a senior position, a leadership position for that matter, where you will be taking a charge of a team or important position in your career. There is also a possibility that people who are in business, they might be getting support from this lady, or you might enter into some female driven business which will help you do really well in the market. So all these possibilities are possible. So depending on your situation, please pick and choose the advice. Understand the situation. So the message for you here in career is understand the situation, consult with the experts, and try to explore the possible support that you are getting in the career segment. So do explore it. And coming to your finance, friends, we have Page of Wands in the upright, which is a good card, which is somewhere saying that maybe there is a scope of revival of your financial health. You are getting some support, you are getting some investment, and you are getting some guidance or some intuitive guidance from within yourself to plan your investments well. Just you need to do is tune into your intuition and take the guidance and plan it accordingly. So just align with your energies, be connected to yourself. That's a highlight of the reading. Also coming to your health, friends, we have Queen of Cups energy in the reverse position. Now this Queen of Cups energy in the reverse position is suggesting that somewhere though your intuitive skills are high, or though your intuitive skills are quite active, somewhere you are not able to heal your own self. So though you are something within you is still feeling imbalanced, or lack of nurturing is evident here. Self-care, lack of self-care, lack of nurturing is evident here, especially on an emotional front, where you are not in charge of your emotions. Somewhere you might be feeling low, depressive, or especially it could be because of the relationship phase that you are going in. Here I would say don't exhaust yourself, because you're looking too exhausted, you're looking too tired because of the stress that is coming to you due to relationship, bad, poor relationship status right now. It's time to heal yourself and focus on the energies that are empowering you, your career, your finances, especially your career. Focus your energy on your career. In time you will know how to heal your relationships. So don't focus your energy on the area where it is getting drained, rather focus is in the area where it is empowering you to the next level. Coming to your chakra advice card, we have nurturing as a message. So nurture yourself, nurture your with the help of your family, with the help of being with your close loved ones. That will help you to pamper yourself. If not your marriage, if one relationship is not working, that doesn't mean other relationship won't empower you. Take care of yourself with the help of the relationships with yourself, as well as with the relationships which are empowering, and in time you will know how to heal the suffering relationship. Coming to your angel advice card, we have third eye chakra energy, which is evident here, which angels are suggesting you to focus on your intuition, develop it to an extent that you get a guidance on your own on how to tackle the tough time or the challenges that you're facing in your relationship. So I really hope, friends, that this reading has helped you and to plan your coming month. Take care. So friends, I really hope this reading will help you to plan your life in future. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Facebook page, LinkedIn account, as well as on my Facebook group Astro Vruksha by Shefali, which is a combined group of Tarot Reader Shefali and Astro Vruksha by Shefali brand. So we operate 3 YouTube channels: Astro Vruksha by Shefali, Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi, and Tarot Reader Shefali in English for the international audience. So friends, if you are looking for any personalized session, this is a general reading. So if you need any personalized session, you can connect with me on my mobile number, on my email ID, or you can message me on Instagram or Facebook for that matter. I'll reply back to you, or my assistant will reply back to you. So friends, do share these videos with your more and more friends and family, because people are in need of help right now, and these general readings can surely guide them, at least to an extent that they can, ease out their stress. Don't forget to share your comments with me. Your feedback is always welcome. I really like to know what do you think about videos. Are there any improvising areas? Are there any areas which you want me to specially focus on? So I really want to welcome new subscribers on board, and I thank all those subscribers who are already the part of the journey. Take care, guys. Very good luck to all of you.